Hello everyone, I am Nagesh Kharade. I welcome you all in the world of revolution called Sarthi Sunday English Speakers Club. It is the 13th anniversary of Sarthi Sunday English Speakers Club, and on this auspicious occasion, we have prepared this wonderful video for you people. And this documentary is to answer all those questions which are there in your mind, like what is Sarthi Sunday English Speakers Club, what activities are being conducted in this club. So this activity or this documentary includes the opinions of Sarthians parents, senior Sarthians, Kids Zone members as well as fresher Sarthians. So this documentary is all about how Sarthi has improved many lives, how Sarthi has created the careers of many Sarthians, those who have settled in different parts of areas. So let us have a look at all these opinions. So first of all, let us know the opinions of senior Sarthians.
I'm Lata Dasri. Firstly, I would like to congratulate Vanga sir for completing 30 years of SSEC. Sarthi is one of the best platforms where you can improve your career and personal skills. I'm the one of the example. When I would join Sarthi, I was very poor in communication. Now, people known as me one of the dashing girl. The credit goes to Sarthi, of course, Vanga sir. I would like to say just one quote: East or West, Sarthi is best. Thank you guys.
Hello Sarthians, I hope you all are doing great. My name is Mayur Abhange, currently settled in Pune. I'm working with Central Private Limited as a HR business partner. Sarthi is a great platform to improve your personality. As you know, you have to be very competent to survive in this corporate world. So Sarthi has provided me an opportunity to improve my communication, skill, knowledge and overall personality. I would like to thank our respected Professor Vanga sir for taking such a great initiative at Solapur and wish you all the best for your future. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Pramod Kanade. Today, whatever the position and achievements I have, Sarthi played a very important and beautiful role in my life. Sarthi Sunday English Speakers Club is a unique platform in the Solapur city to develop communication skills and confidence practically. Friends, remember, the best investment in the life is investment on self-development. Most of the times people says, I don't know how to start, what to do, I'm not great. Let me tell you, you don't have to be a great to start. You got to start to be a great. Let's join Sarthi. Thank you and wish you all the best.
This is Prashant Pasnur, one of our Sarthi member. I am working in Deccan College, Pune as a junior library assistant. Never be ashamed of your English. Try to speak with the help of simple words. And I am definitely sure that Sarthi Sunday English Speakers Club will help you to fulfill these blocks through their innovative ideas. And my best wishes to Team Sarthi on this anniversary on behalf of all Punekar Sarthians.
I am Sushant Angure. I was the 7th president of Sarthi Sunday English Speakers Club. Presently, I am doing my own business as a distributor of Usha International Private Limited company. Because of Sarthi, I got many opportunity to prove myself in this global market, to convert and convince to the all clients.
Hello friends, this is Rishal Masude, member of Sarthi Sunday English Speakers Club. Sarthi, the word itself gives me an immense pleasure to express my views on and about this club. Proud to say that I am the first member of this club. I wanted to make my career in sales, and as we know, in a corporate world, English language is must. Then I proved myself with this club because the environment which Sarthi Sunday English Speakers Club has designed in me, I proved myself. Presently, I am working with one of the fastest growing organizations, that is Patanjali Ayurveda Limited. Now I am well settled in this industry as a sales officer. Thank you, and this all credit goes to none other than our Vittal Vanga sir. Thank you Vanga sir, and thank you all Sarthi.
My name is Bhimrao Yapanna Gunde. When I was there, I think Sarthi English Speaking Club was established there. And I was one of the members. I'm happy to tell you that because of Vanga sir, I became an English teacher. And now I am earning 10,000 rupees per month. only because of Vanga sir.
Friends, this is Rupali Balganure, and recently I have completed BSc in physics and I have moved to Pune. I'm working in TCS as an associate and with the IT project. Everybody is saying that it is important to know English and everything, but it is also important to know put your views in English. So if you go across the world and as well as if you go across the India as well, you should know English. So I have learnt many things from Sarthi, like to put your views in English. I have done the anchoring, so I have got confidence, strength. So that's the reason I am here, as all the credit goes to Sarthi. So,
Hello friends, I am Sagar Patru. I am current president of Sarthi Sunday English Speakers Club. Due to Sarthi, I improved my English very well. And now, being the president, I am hosting 13th anniversary of Sarthi Sunday English Speakers Club. Really, hats off to Vanga sir and Sarthi for giving me a platform for improving myself and changing my personality.
Now we have seen the opinions of senior Sarthians. Let us move further to know about what the Sarthians, Kids Zone members and parents are talking about Sarthi Sunday English Speakers Club.
I'm Hina. I joined Sarthi to improve my communication skills and soft skills. It is the best platform to improve all the important skills. Sarthi Sunday English Speakers Club is a unique club in India. Many activities are conducted in this club like grammar games, word games, seminar, group discussion, role play and etc. All these activities are very useful for everyone. So Sarthi helps me to build my personality. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ms. Rachita Khanna. I am a student from Marathi medium, but I know the importance of English. That's why after my 12th I decided to learn English. Friends, Sarthi is a really wonderful word where you learn many soft skills which are useful for our career growth. I am very lucky to be a Sarthian and experience the really difference. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Lavanya. As per the motto of Sarthi Sunday English Speakers Club, we build confidence. I could build my confidence in this club. Today I can speak few sentences confidently. This credit goes to Sarthi. Thank you SSESC.
Hi everyone, I am Pranita. I am student of Sarthi Kids Zone. Being a Sarthian, I have improved my stage daring and communication skills. I am glad to be a part of this.
Hello everyone, I am Komal Ligade. I am member of Sarthi Kids Zone. Sarthi Sunday English Speakers Club built my confidence and communication skills. Before Sundays, I was unable to speak English, but today I can speak English well. Vanga sir and Sarthi team helped me to build my confidence. Thank you.
Be a Sarthian and remove your fear.
So far we have seen the views of senior Sarthians, Kids Zone members and fresher Sarthians. So last but not least, let us have the opinions of the parents of Sarthians.
माझी मुलं इंग्लिश बोलतात आणि लिहिता येत नव्हते माझ्या मुलांना. जेव्हापासून आजपासून 10 वर्षापूर्वी सारथी इंग्लिश संडे क्लब जॉईन केल्यामुळे माझी मुलं आज सहज आणि सोप्या भाषेत इंग्रजी बोलतात आणि लिहितात. त्यामुळे आज माझ्या मुलांना कमी वयात म्हणजे शिक्षण संपूर्ण व्हायच्या अगोदर त्यांना नोकरी लागलेली आहे. त्या नोकरीस मुलाखतीच्या वेळेला इंग्रजी बोलणे हे सारथी इंग्लिश संडे क्लबमुळे सहज सोपे झाले आहे. आज माझी मुलं पहिला मुलगा सॉफ्टवेअर इंजिनियर आहे आणि तो सॉफ्टवेअर विभागात काम करतो आहे आणि 2 नंबर मुलगा इंडियन एअरफोर्स सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंटमध्ये जॉब करतो आहे. याचा श्रेय सारथी इंग्लिश संडे क्लबला जातो.
माझं नाव चंद्रकला अडकी आहे. मी मेघना आणि पल्लवी अडकी यांची मम्मी बोलते आणि सारथी क्लास लावल्यापासून त्यांचं खूप सुधारणा झालं. 2013 पासून त्यांनी इथं येऊ लागले. संडे क्लबला पण दर रविवारी येते. मग त्यांचं सुधारणा बघून मी पण इंग्लिश जॉईन केले.
So far we have listened to all the opinions of Sarthians, fresher Sarthians, senior Sarthians, Kids Zone members as well as parents. So now let's have a look at what Professor Vittal Vanga, the founder of Sarthi Sunday English Speakers Club, says.
Hi, the youth in Solapur have tremendous potentiality. They are able to do hard work, but at the same time they are unable to communicate well. Especially they are weak in English communication skills. So friends, being an English teacher, I was thinking to do something for the betterment of Solapurites. So the output is Sarthi Sunday English Speakers Club. the first ever English Speakers Club in entire India. Friends, this club was established in the year 2005, and since its establishment, this club has been running successfully. Each and every Sunday, we meet together and various activities for the benefit of students, youngsters, housewives, business people, entrepreneurs. Such activities are conducted like grammar games, word games, seminars, presentation skills, role plays, interview techniques, group discussions, and so on. These skills are quite helpful for the career growth as well as the business growth. So, I appeal Solapurites to get the advantage of this unique club, be the Sarthian and experience the difference. All the best.
So this is all about Sarthi Sunday English Speakers Club. I hope you have come to know all the answers about Sarthi Sunday English Speakers Club. Be the part of this unstoppable journey and experience the difference.